Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 79 Merida Street here in Springfield, Massachusetts.
Come check out this fantastic, fully renovated 3-bedroom Cape-style home with all the amenities you have been looking for. Let's go take a look.
This fully renovated home features a modern eat-in kitchen, quartz countertops, white cabinetry, tiled backsplash, and stainless steel appliances.
This incredible property boasts 2 generously sized bedrooms on the main level with an updated full bath and an additional bedroom on the second floor with a walk-in closet and recessed lighting.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
Downstairs, there's even more finished living space in the basement for your enjoyment, which includes a laundry, new furnace, and so much more.
Out back, you'll find a 1-car garage with plenty of parking, fenced-in yard, and more space to make your own.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 79 Merida Street here in Springfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.
Here in Springfield, Massachusetts. Oh my God. 79 Merida Street, Merida. I'm gonna see at 79. I cannot get it.
Flat too.
Right? Take 5. Oh boy.
Fully renovated. Woo, now I'm doing it.
Who could that be? Finished living space in the finished basement. Boom down.
Good.
Let's get it.
You are watching a master.